Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make the beautiful experience of boiling water, but not on the ground, but at a higher altitude. What we have today to boil the water is a barrel cook, which is a container and a pocket with some chemical compound inside, which we'll look at closer later. A thermometer to show the temperature, and of course water. And to make it on a higher altitude, we also have this wonderful little ultralight aircraft. As each 1000 grams of water needs 4 joules to heat up 1 degree centigrade, we start with preheated water at 31 degrees centigrade to speed up the process. Here Uniform Bravo climbing 7,000 feet. It caught me by surprise that the water boils as early as 85-87 degrees, so once home we will boil it at sea level in our kitchen. Wheel control, here Uniform Bravo approaching 7,000 feet. As a reference, let's boil some water directly from under the tap. Clearly at this temperature there is no such activities in the aircraft. I was afraid that the thermometer was wrong earlier today, but it seems to be alright. Hey, get off my keyboard.